Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Laval, local and long distance movers near me. If you're relocating more than 100 miles, you'll need a long distance mover to make sure that everything goes without hinges. If you're moving, enlisting the help of specialists is the best option. We will assist you in planning your relocation and provide recommendations or things you can do to make it go smoothly. We also save you time by loading and unloading your items for you. We can assist you with packing as well as disassembling and reassembling your furniture. We handle the hard lifting for you, so you don't have to worry about lugging around large goods. If you require packing materials, we can offer them. A local move is one that is less than 100 miles long, whether it be across town, within the state, or even across the state. 3 Movers provides local moving services to meet all of your requirements. Even a short distance move can be difficult at times, but fear not. By choosing to trust in us and aiding you, we can make everything easier for you. You don't need to worry about renting a truck or hauling furniture from an apartment yourself or with the help of your friends. Our team of professional personnel will take care of everything there is, reducing the stress of the move that can have on your mentality. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Laval moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.